You searched how to buy shares of Intellinetics Inc. Intellinetics provides intelligent document capture and enterprise content management and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker INLX. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy INLX, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and then add funds to your account before you can buy. Use the broker's search bar and enter the ticker INLX to locate Intellinetics Inc. Confirm you select the INLX listing on NASDAQ so you open the correct stock page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Double-check the company description to confirm this is the correct Intellinetics Inc. stock. Tap the Invest or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before it accepts the order. After purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio showing shares or value. The link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.